I recently went on a trip to Chicago, Illinois with my two friends Apple and Jake Carlini. While in Chicago, we did all sorts of absolutely crazy things, like staying in the cheapest Airbnb in the area we could find for a night, gambling on March Madness, and we also went on a multiple day-long adventure to turn absolutely nothing into $1,000.
Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous, I'm addicted to you. I might rent the Lambo and go drive it like it's stolen. I've been living wild, I'm just going through the motions. Stumbling out the Uber, grab my hand, gave me the notion. Swimming in your water, but it feels just like the ocean. I can't lie, I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my...
Today I'm with my friends Apple and Jake. We're in Chicago and we're gonna try turning $0 into $1,000 over the next 3 days. Starting things off, my friend Apple found this cool watch right here in the park and we're gonna go inside a pawn shop to try and cash it in for some money. Wish us luck. For some stupid reason, the pawn shop owner didn't want us filming in the store, but luckily you guys didn't miss anything exciting. So Apple, give us the good word. Were we successful?
We still got the watch and we don't have any money.
At this point, we were feeling a bit discouraged as we had no idea how to make our first dollar to start this challenge off until Jake got the brilliant idea to sell my shoes, buy me Walmart shoes instead, and then keep the difference as profit. Yes, guys, you heard me correctly. Jake decided to make the sacrifice by selling my shoes instead of his own.
Alright, so Wolf ain't liking me too much right now. I got him to sell his shoes.
Yeah, so since they're basically brand new, we're gonna be able to sell them on StockX. The offer for size 10 in the sneaker I have is $270, which means after fees and everything, we're gonna profit about $237 to start this challenge off before the Walmart shoes. We are officially inside of Walmart. We're about to go to the shoe rack to go find some replacement shoes for myself, but first we gotta go to get a bike. What do you think of my bike, Jake?
You're too much, man.
I'm too much, that's your response. Well, we need to get some shoes to wear, baby. I think I'm just gonna go with these and one shoes for 17 bucks, so that leaves us with like $215 profit. $16.98. Not bad, $18 after tax. Now that we've officially swapped my nice shoes for Walmart shoes and secured $215 in profit to start this video off, Jake and I are going to be doing Postmates. It's currently about peak hours right now. There seems to be quite a bit of demand for Postmates in Chicago, so we're probably gonna do that for the next few hours, and we'll keep you updated when we get our first order. Alright guys, little update. We've been driving for Postmates and DoorDash for like 2 or 3 hours at this point, and so far we're at about $45 in total earnings between the two apps, and we're about to take a little bit of a break for lunch, but so far we're sitting at about $260 in our $1,000 challenge. So guys, we're a quarter of the way there, baby. We're doing pretty good.
We're killing it!
After grabbing some quick lunch at the one and only Culver's and allowing my East Coast / New Yorker friend Jake Carlini to enjoy it for the very first time, we got back on the road with some more Postmates deliveries and of course carpool karaoke, baby. Good job, Jake. That was a beautiful performance.
Yeah, you're welcome.
This is the civil way to ding-dong ditch someone. That, my friends, was pretty much the end of day one of this challenge. We essentially spent the entire day driving for both Postmates and DoorDash. Then we went back to our hotel room, ate, slept, and got ready for yet another day of making money. Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 2 of the $0 to $1,000 challenge. Today we're in a little bit of a different location. As you guys can see, we're in an Airbnb in like downtown Chicago, which is super cool. We're on like the 17th floor. But in the last video, you guys saw us stay in the cheapest Airbnb in Chicago, which was a lot of fun. But to start the morning off, we're gonna do a little day trade with literally all of the money we made yesterday. So essentially, I'm in this stock trading Discord chat, and this guy's like a full-time day trader. He says right here that we should get into some Alibaba 235 calls. I'm gonna buy one contract for 188 of the dollars we made yesterday, and boom, I'm buying it, baby.
Just close your eyes super tight and say to yourself 3 times, stocks only go up.
Now that we've officially made $34.81 day trading, it's time to move on, and the next thing we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna try driving for DoorDash and Postmates with a bike, since we don't actually have our car in this downtown area. And I heard that it's so good that we're gonna be able to make some money just riding our bike around delivering food. Hey, how you doing? Hi, I have a Postmates order for Robert.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you and enjoy.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Right.
We got them, baby. We got the food.
All right.
Here you go. Put it right here. And now click confirm pickup. Swipe this right here. And boom, now we gotta bring it to the customer's house, which shouldn't be too long. Overall, our idea to do Postmates delivery with bikes we rented absolutely sucked. We ended up spending about 30 minutes driving our bikes to the restaurant, and then from the restaurant to the customer's location. From that delivery, we got only $2 back, so we basically broke even after accounting for the cost it took to rent the bikes. Anyways, after our whole adventure with Postmates finally came to an end, we decided it was time to try and make money being a professional Spider-Man.
Yo, I'm here with the one and only Spider-Man.
What's up?
We're gonna be taking pictures out in the city for anybody who wants to get the picture taken with the Spider-Man.
$1, $5 with the good camera.
Yeah, that's right.
Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous.
You want a picture with Spider-Man for $1? Would you like a picture with Spider-Man for $1?
We are rolling in cash.
Would you like a picture with Spider-Man for $1? Would you like a picture with Spider-Man for $1?
We're doing a $0 to $1,000 challenge. This is like day 2, day 3?
Day 2. We're at like 300 something dollars.
Damn. All right, well, subscribe to both of you guys.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you guys.
Appreciate
Have a
it.
great day.
We're not only making money, but we're getting subscribers.
Would you like a picture with Spider-Man for $1? $1? The only Spider-Man that exists? Come on! I would have been shot for doing this in the upstate New York. You want a picture with Spider-Man? $1!
Bye, cop.
They heard that Spider-Man pictures were being sold down here. They're like, damn, I gotta get one!
They missed me though. Pictures with Spider-Man for $1.
Put that down, because that's supposed to go there.
Smells like shit.
You gotta put it back. Yes, I know. It's probably because it probably has shit in it. Spider-Man? Picture with Spider-Man for $1? Picture with Spider-Man for $1?
Listen, I've been in this business for a long time, all right? It's been about 25 minutes of me being in this business. And let me tell you, people love Spider-Man.
Yeah, we're killing it. Yeah. Let's go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Spider-Man's going to the bean right now. We're gonna take some pictures with more strangers.
Now, what if for $1 you could get your picture with the bean and Spider-Man?
Wow, a 2-for-1 special.
Didn't seem very interested.
Nah.
Yeah, maybe he likes Batman more.
Batman.
Can you imagine?
Come on. Batman didn't get a PS4 exclusive video game. He got a Lego video game.
You want a picture with Spider-Man? Great value, Spider-Man?
Here, Jake. You want to get a picture?
Yeah?
All right, guys, so here's the update. One person who took a picture with us said he'd give us $20 if we touch the bean. I asked the security guard. She said it was a bad idea. Are you the security guard here? Somebody offered me $20 to flick the bean.
Can't do that.
Really? What would happen if I did?
I'm about to get kicked out now. So if I tell you go rob that bank over there, you gonna do it?
No.
$20?
But this is less illegal than robbing a bank, right?
No.
Just as bad. And we might come back and do it in a bit because, well, 20 pictures to touch a bean is definitely worth it. Spider-Man fell. Spider-Man just touched the beat, baby. Let's get it. And well, my friends, that's pretty much a wrap. In total, from Postmates, delivery, driving, being Spider-Man, and also selling my shoes, we are up to a grand total of $329.28. So guys, please be sure to check out this video right here if episode 2 is already out. And also, Jake's channel will be somewhere on the screen right here. So go drop him a subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.